All right, good morning. It is July 30th. This is a Tuesday. I always love this picture. This shit cracks me up. I showed my spouse this. This was kind of funny. But anyways, so we have earnings, which should have the SoFi, PayPal, Pfizer, Procter and Gamble, and these few other ones I'm not too familiar with. And then we have upcoming catalyst is going to be AMD. They've been selling off big time. I need to check them just as a whole. We got Starbucks and of course Microsoft. Pinterest would be somewhat important, and then EA just for the hell of it. But Microsoft for sure. You know, do the cap weighted for tech and the S&P 500. So that's something to definitely look at. I would imagine either right at 1 o'clock or maybe 1:15 or 15 minutes after the bell. Let's see. For today, we have the 6 o'clock, and then we have the two 7 o'clock data readings here. Um, I know the main focus, of course, is going to be the FOMC. I believe the ISM, manufacturing, and everything is going to be just as important as well. These PMIs here, but definitely the non-farm payroll on Friday. So that's pretty much it. We went through that yesterday. That's my account there. That's me. Hello. So just looking at overnight, just looking at what we have here. Bear with me. I'm just pulling up those spreadsheets. Okay, perfect. So just bear with me. But for the most part, so we have the tech leading, actually the small caps are leading right now. Okay, that's interesting to see. So they're back, and actually I think they led the way down yesterday, if I recall. But let's see. So Microsoft, they're about break even. They had their earnings. Anticipation. I'm just curious. Again, this is still a work in progress. Hold on, let's go ahead and just do this SMC. How much time we got? I just want to make sure I get like a really good snapshot of where we're at. So the semiconductors, okay, sure. AMD a little negative. So some other people are pulling their weight with Nvidia being down. So that's good to see. I would imagine it's AMD, but I'm not going to focus too much on that right now. Let's see. So Amazon and Tesla kind of led yesterday, so it's good to see continuation of yesterday with our leaders. So if we can have the rest of the individuals pull their weight like Broadcom like this is really good. So what's holding us down now really just gonna be Microsoft, who has earnings later, and then damn Nvidia. So this will be interesting. And then yeah, if Meta and honestly, if Meta and Nvidia just holds, I could be wrong, but I could have sworn I just saw Tesla was like 70 something. I could be wrong. Maybe I'm just mislooking at something, but who knows? But yeah, they're starting to push a little bit more. But point is, if we can get a nice hold from Microsoft and Meta, that'd be really good, and definitely Tesla as it is now, because maybe my eyes just deceived me. Then of course, Old Faithful with Nvidia. So it's something just to look out. With our sectors, industrials, finance are looking good. Healthcare, this is nice. Tech, of course. I think this is consumer discretionary, I believe. I gotta double check with P. I'm not gonna like I remember, but they're not as weighted as some of the sectors. So oh well with that one. This is nice to be a part of tech for sure. We have the semiconductors. Yeah, they had like a big push. All right, just for the hell of it, because I might as well now. What do they look like? No? Yeah, I need to learn more about this. Shit, if that's even a damn right ticker. But anyways, crude oil. I'm assuming crude oil may need a roll forward. I don't think you can roll forward from here. Yeah, I have to look, make sure I'm using the right one. U, it's U. All right, so that should be updated. And then okay, crude oil is down 1%. Okay, cool. All right, so that's crude oil. So, anyways, all right, my apologies. All right, let's see. We are 5 minutes in. I'm just making a quick notes. and we should have market open, so we have a good snapshot in our head who needs to do what. From what I recall, basically we need to see some good performances from Nvidia, Meta, ideally Microsoft, but there'll be an asterisk over their name because of their earnings, and then Tesla. So I definitely want to keep a good eye on them. You know, if they're doing well, if everyone is holding, including healthcare, I don't see why we don't really shoot up, to be honest. But you know, who knows? You know, this open type is going to be pretty important. So we're opened up in the middle of the range of the prior day. So you know, regardless, you kind of want to be, yeah, we're open up in the middle of damn balance, maybe a little above for the S&P 500, of the middle of the range yesterday. So you know, shit. If this is just like a continuation from yesterday, you know that'd be ideal. But anyways, we'll get to that in a moment. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. See if we can make this quick. We went over this last night. Hold on, I still need to make my note. Just bear with me. Go. I'm pulling this up on my Notion. It's my Notion over here. Hold on. Go. Oh no, that's my checklist. But yeah, I'm just doing here. I just do like a new entry. These are my templates. And I just want to make some quick notes while we are here typing. It's about 5 minutes. That is where we were. Start of, I guess, play by play. Sure. Okay, cool. So you know we're looking at this overnight session here. You know the volume is going to be what it is. You know this should be the contract premium that we were looking at. So we open up from the middle of the balance. As session opened in the afternoon, we ended up going straight down, leg down. We tried to push again to that same area, and we broke it by a tick. Oh shit, cool. Oh yeah. I have to double check, make sure this is accurate. But yeah, it looks like we may have just like ticked through it basically and shot up. This is something that I would trade on a higher time frame actually. So I'm real excited to look at that. So let me not get ahead of myself. That's exciting. Let's see, especially with all the bullish notes that I was kind of going over, the undertones. And then let me fix this. Just bear with me. I'm just working on my theory building. Again, I'm not interested in taking a trade in this first bracket at all, at all. Especially when we have data coming out at 7. I'm gonna need time to process, allow the market to process this information, and to see who's doing what. But I digress. All right, cool. So I didn't make a look at the VIX. So my apologies there. But the VIX is going to be down about 1%. So this is definitely good for the Bulls. So it looks like we're going up 3 basis points, and I forgot about here. I just want to see so far. So this is going to be the whole daily change. This is going to be the change. Don't pay attention to this right to this side here. But I'm looking at this section here. So this is the opening change since they opened. So this is gonna be since they open in the afternoon. That's not something that we have to worry about here because it's relatively is gonna be the same thing here. But the equities and these sectors they're opening up at 6:30 at RTH open. So this is how much they've changed since RTH. So again, so they're kind of selling off, and this is you don't want to see this here. So make sure I balance my bullish thoughts out so we can actually see what's happening like right now. But I digress. Apple, they had some room to kind of give. You know, I don't want to see this too much. The fact that they're selling off a little more than Nvidia. Okay, there we go. That's about right. So ain't no way. And that's a big drop. I'm curious what that candle look like. Hold on, go. Yeah, exactly. Okay, nice. And again, hopefully you're able to see how I'm processing this information. And in this one, I'm gonna get to like the nitty gritty. I would say, okay, cool. You know, you look at the time here. You know, it's 10 seconds left for this first 5 minute candle. I'm looking at 3 minute candles. So don't mind me. Ooh, I'm gonna need some water in a moment. All right, I'm just gonna take a copy of this right at 6:35. I should be able to do this like with a systemically, but or some kind of like automated process. But it's fine. I'll get to this soon. All right, so I'll make a comment on this shortly. But anyways, I'll make a comment on this shortly. So we're back here. So you know, since the whole notice that bounce back up, that was a nice little, yeah, that was a nice little rejection there. I'm sure that 1 minute candle probably looked really good for some people. So probably getting some people excited. The volume is low, just in general. You know, I didn't mention that. I didn't even mention where we opened up. Ideally, I was. I mean, do remember I was doing this wrap up early in the morning. I mean, I was doing this wrap up last night, so I'm really aware like where we are, and I looked at the video multiple times. So in my head, I know where we're at. I'm just more getting my thoughts out, but I digress. So back here again, we have this little. I'm sorry, getting a little sidetracked. So I wanted to see how everybody was moving. So they got their shit together. They're back to where they were pre-market. You know, they're holding in there. They're trying to get their shit together. Amazon, I don't want to see this. That was a real big spike there. Uh, um, so I do want to see that. I want to see more of that. Like what y'all just did there, that's good. Tesla. Actually, let me get this AMD out of here because this is just kind of throwing me off to be honest. Just do delete, bro. Tesla, you know, they're still not doing too well there. I'm trying to see what's going on with them. Broadcom, nice little hold, nice hold, nice hold. This is a good start for Google. Again, they had their earnings last week. I'm not sure their candle, but sure. This is one thing I wanted to see for sure was this Meta. So this is getting me excited. Not excited, but this is one piece. We got Nvidia turning green. This is another piece. You know, if we can get Microsoft holding strong, it's going to be really important. VIX is still dropping. Oh no. Yeah, hold on. Let me redo this. Let me reload that. Something's not right. I'm still working on this, so just bear with me. But I don't have that. I should have copied the I should have copied the time. 37. Okay, but anyways, yeah, this is really nice. I mean, as of right now, and Tech is leading. Everyone's kind of getting together, and they're down. I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a bullet situation so far. Just looking at the underlying information. Okay, cool. So then we do the VWAP. I'm gonna put this over there. Okay, cool. So we have our overnight session. So again, we opened up a little lower. Right? Yeah, we opened up on that lower balance day, shot up, which is very similar to what we did the previous day. So buyers are trying. Just a little hint there. And then we're going down. Big drop. Big liquidation drop. Big drop. Tried to hold. Big drop. A little small leg up. Where did we stop? Yeah, and I had to see if there's like any kind of information. These are 3 minute candles. See if there's any kind of any information that happened. But anyways, we ended up having our down spike for a little over a point, and then we closed right at it at that prior low, and then just shot straight up. Didn't really look back. Had a little trouble at the prior IB low. Ended up holding strong. Shot up into the mid. Crawled our way up. Was able to protect that impulse base. 2 holds, more two-way trading, and back into balance. I believe this is more of like the. Let's see, we can just check here. It's nothing to think about. But yeah, this is the VPOC for yesterday. All right. Yeah, it's like somewhere in there. So we want to see. So we want to see if they're holding that. So we go straight from. So no activity, no want to trade at the bottom under prior day's range, and immediately gets sucked back in up. Holding above, trading higher prices. Ran into the damn VPOC from prior day. Yeah, and we're holding up here. So I mean, again, this does look nice. I should probably have that VPOC probably drawn. Shit, that was on freaking that was on freaking on Nasdaq that I was looking at. But all right, cool. So this is for the S&P 500. So yeah, they're already above their previously traded their VPOC. So they're good there. And then the same thing here. So they had a little more of a pullback into their previous high volume node for this composite that I have that goes back to April. Okay, cool. Yeah, I really like that. I just wanted to make sure that we're looking at the right things. Yeah. Okay, I really like this. It's cool. So yeah, this looks really good for buyers, but again, we have 7 a.m. data that's going to be coming out, so we shall see. So since that moment in time, about 5 minutes ago, when I put that little mark, I just wanted to see who was kind of leading there. Apple is nice. It's a really big push from Microsoft. I don't like the way Nvidia is looking because they did this shit. I think maybe like 2 weeks ago, where they were like the main one is doing bad, and then I don't know. It just started to feel like it was collapsing, and they just I don't know. Just we kind of go where they go. Even on Amazon, I like this. They're holding. Meta, I still like this. Again, that's one of the ones that we're focusing on. I'm really excited to see what Tesla looks like. I'm trying not to look. Google, cool, cool. Broadcom, sure, they had a lot to give. I don't care for that too much, actually. That's a lot that they're giving up. But who are they trading with? I'll take more of Microsoft and Apple and less of Broadcom any day. And then we have Tesla, who's doing well, but they need to get green. If they can get green, yeah. If Tesla and Nvidia can get green, you can't see me. I'm shaking my head, but I like that for sure. And the VIX is still getting their butt kicked. Again, I know this isn't the VIX or VX, but this is what we have for Sierra chart with my current data subscription. And I don't have this updated because we did that on the other one. All right, so I'm gonna do another snapshot about 6:50. So I mean, really, right now we're just kind of looking. Actually, I'll take that back. I want to do this shit right now because we just looked. I want to see how we change. What's the posture? And again, I would love to have this automated, but we'll get there eventually. I need to do this a little better. There we go. Okay, so that's that. Let's get this higher time frame business out of here. So from what I can see, I didn't even answer. I didn't even answer my question. Okay, so where was the market opening from, and is there a goal? So the market, we already answered that. Their goal is just to get back into balance. I mean, we said this last night. Our goal is to trade above this area, and our goal is to trade above this area. The 200s to 260 and 96. Yeah, 96. Yeah, about 95s to the 10s. Yeah, about 95s to the 10. So I would imagine more two-way trading right here. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Okay, let's go ahead and close that. This is my feeder chart for. All right, let's see what I can get this to look like. 'Cause I need to improve this. So this is like a chart book that I'm working on to do my executions. And I was gonna have some other stuff here. I'm still working on it, and I want to have these. I'll remove these numbers. I need to change these colors too. But yeah, I'm gonna take a short break. I do want to look at that, Don. Ooh, wait, go back. What's going on with tech? This VIX is kicking up there. And again, I'm just looking at the velocity here. I've typically used Jigsaw, and I don't have that right now. I'm gonna reactivate it on Thursday at the start of the month. But I just want to see how we're kind of trading. This is the Nasdaq. This is compressed. There's 1 point per tick on here. That was a nice little down spike. So if we can hold that area and not test that prior settle, that'll be good for sure. And then we have this 7 a.m. data that's coming in 15 minutes. So on that drop there, I want to see who held, who did what they did. Okay, yeah, tech is starting to push back up again. I want to see who did what, or who's holding in the aftermath. They're still getting their butt kicked. This is what I was talking about. You know, they're not helping. They're still going negative. They flip red for a little bit. I saw you. Microsoft, those little gains that they had, that just went away. That's still nice for Apple. I still want to see Meta. I haven't looked at Meta yet. Amazon. Amazon, they're selling off again, or selling off a bit. They're giving back some of their gains, rather. They're still holding. They're still dropping a little bit. I saw that 6 basis points. Google, I don't want to see that. Yeah, we're definitely starting to slip. So it's 20 basis points there. But that was a nice little hold. I'm sure we were looking a little worse a while ago, but I would imagine that would have been maybe Nvidia and Tesla getting smoked. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna work on this chart book. Yeah, this is a work in progress. I really don't need much. As you can see, I'm kind of contextualizing everything. Okay, back to my stories. So what's the goal? The goal is to get back into a balance, into higher balance for sure. What did the markets accomplish? They ended up testing the bottom range, kind of stopped out any buyers, if you will. Yeah, ran those stops and ran back like thieves in the night. Like they took it and then I don't know. Yeah, just ran away like some thieves. So that was really nice. And oh yeah, I'm just make sure I don't like smack my teeth or anything. And were there any surprises? No, I did like the how they ran those stops and then just immediately ran back. So I mean, we have a lot of room to work with right now. Um, but at the same time, I feel like this has been heavily biased for the Bulls. But I'm kind of okay with that. I still understand that we're in this bigger uptrend for the most part. So I just want to keep respect for that for that aspect of it. So I mean, with that being said, we can still for sure have some sell-offs. Because I mean, we are making lower highs, lower highs, lower high, lower lows, lower lows. We are compressing. We are looking at this upcoming data. So I mean, overall, we're just kind of in the range. We're literally in between. We're literally in between two important key areas. So same thing there. All right, we got about 8 seconds until this this 10-minute warning, and I'm just gonna grab this. So before we switch, same selling, still selling off hard there, still selling off here. This is just a gradual sell off. Only Berkshire's is hanging in there. Yeah, this is just not good. Why are we holding it strong though? Because if they're all selling like this, I imagine this may be like random buyers on the actual asset. If that even makes sense, that just seems strange. Maybe I need to look at it and see what XLP is a little bit more. But I wouldn't be surprised. You know, hold on, let me do this because I already got the marker. This was at 650. This is why I like to do this to see, kind of investigate what's going on. We're still selling out. This is real bad for Nvidia. Yeah, that's what I was saying a little earlier. I don't think that was a bad sign a couple of weeks ago. But okay. Hmm. And again, I'm just looking at the velocity here. I'm not looking at any of this. Just kind of have my eyes in between here and here. Just like a real vague, real glossy eyed. This isn't even, we don't even have this straight. But like this is how much I'm not paying attention at that. I'm not looking at this shit. I'm just mainly looking at that velocity. You know what? I might as well. Nah, it's still wet. Yeah, they're trying to hold it this open. They held this open here, but this is just looking like a real heavy tape. Though the volume is real lighter. VIX is pushing, getting ready to go to settle. Check it one more time. This is nice from Tesla. We need to see some pushing. We need a recovery from Nvidia right now. This is like they don't want to give up this ground. And see how this is like a little fatter. Hold on, let me see if I can. This is that is current. Bid farm. I'm trying to see how to. Trying to change a setting, but it's fine. Ooh, uh, uh, and we got 5 minutes. Hold, hold. Look at VIX. Hold, hold. You got 9 seconds. Hold, 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 and release. Yep, yep. Oh, Oh no, the S&P is they slipping. No. Yeah, that's not good. I got it locked. It's on Trade Sim right now. I really don't like doing breakouts like this, but it's fine. I wouldn't have the correct way to get in. This is exactly why I had this shit locked. But yeah. Okay, let me not get sidetracked. I'm sorry. I really like the yeah, I really like the Dom. All right, this is what I was trying to work on a while ago or the other day. So I just need to. Ooh, S&P trying to hold though. Interesting structure. We're still finding support in prior days. Nasdaq is a little weaker, clearly. Yeah. Um. Hold on. We'll get to this in a moment. Let me see if I can get something. If I can get this to show up. Actually, that's not right. Does that still work? That still works. I'm trying to find a way to do this. Oh, you know what? Nice. Look at that. Look at this gap. Ugh. Shot through that hole. We're gonna fill up some volume here. Oh shit. I'm sorry. I'm getting sidetracked. Data. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. But what I do know is we need to go. Let me get this here. This is gonna be before the data. So we'll see how everybody responds. Hey, if they get through this shit gonna be this is gonna be rocket fuel. Our RTY is still doing well, and this is with that little. They had a 15 basis points pullback. with this data. VIX is starting to go down a little bit, but let's see how these buyers hold. This was the somewhat muted action that I was talking about yesterday. Because we have FOMC, which is pretty important, naturally. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Busting through them levels. Busting through them levels. They pushing down there too. Big volume. No big volume. Ooh. 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 Looks like I wasn't the only one who was thinking about buying. Ugh. Ugh. Damn, leave him alone. Alright, let's see. Man, that was nasty right there. Alright, let's just do this. My silly tail, why would I do that? Again, we're just looking at the dime, don't mind me. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna have to fix this shit. And then they pushing back. Oh, like this is so cool to see. And this is just the bid and the ask. Oops. Just a combination of the order. Same thing as the volume profile, just split between the two. Alright, this is the difference since that 7 a.m. data. Ugh. See, get your ass back down. This is a little better. This isn't the best, but I mean, whatever. I gotta figure out why this is showing. Maybe I'm messing something up. Picking up with VIX again. Alright, this is that B bracket low that I like to see. Did we even look at? Yeah, we look at the overnight. And just a reminder about the overnight that we have going on here. So it's one of those situations where I wouldn't be surprised if we see a nice little pullback for the NQ. Going back to that open, maybe stopping out that open area. Sorry, I really much prefer to see just the Dom. Again, I'm just kind of looking here, but I much prefer just to look at the kind of fluctuation and knowing where we're at. So we're getting here at this IB low. What do we do? I can't even really look at these too much. It doesn't look like there's much action going on. I don't even have the right. Like the volume's picking up, people getting stopped out. I'm assuming there's like some little one little 1 minute candle stops there, and we hold. Ooh, and we hold for the 3 minute candle at the IB low. All right, now I want to see if these same sellers are gonna push that shit back down because we had these little gaps. All right, what do we do? Do we trade these gaps? Do we build more volume in these gaps? Or do we say, nah, it's too cheap or it's too expensive? Let us find out. Take a quick peek at the quote board on the left side. Nice for Tesla. That Meta I wanted to see. Good hold here. And Nvidia. If Nvidia is done, I'm buying. If Nvidia is done, I'm buying. And then the VIX is going down as well. So we held above here. Yeah, because this is that B bracket low that I'm talking about. I still feel like this is still more of a bullish setup. I really wanted to buy towards the high of that at that IB low, but to be honest, nah. Now we're back in these areas here, this thinly traded area, and yeah, we can push above and get a hold there. That'd be nice. But I'd imagine sellers will want to get in here like right around this open, maybe stop out these people. I think the mid is gonna be a nice area. I think just this sign of strength is good to see, especially with the VIX. The VIX rejecting above that settle. So we are back to where we were pre-release of the 7 a.m. data, right at that open for the for tech actually, which is good. So that's actually a nice little nod for them. That's kind of subtle, but the S&P 500 is a little. We're still in the inside of ours. And I like to add in my notes that the ES and the NQ likes to do like this little weird dance where it's like, oh, the S&P is leading, the Nasdaq is weaker, and then it's like a real slow, gradual switch. This is that rejection of those prices that I was talking about. They didn't want to fill up those prices. We still have another 5 seconds for us to kind of push through, but a hold above this impulse candle is nice. That's gonna put a little fear. Some people are gonna exit possibly, but I digress. They do like this little dance, which is really nice, um, and it's hard to tell when they're switching, but it's real subtle. Like Nvidia right now, how they're holding, I like that. Tesla's holding, I like that. Meta's holding, I like that. Amazon, nice. Microsoft, this is everything. I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy. I'm just waiting for maybe a test of this impulse. Either this 50% based off the penultimate trade pullback trade that John talks about. But just in my own way. Actually, it would be the other way around. I think it's this way, right? Yeah, it'd be this. No, it'd be this one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I was clicking the wrong side. So stopping these fools out. Stopping these fools out at the century mark at the 200. Ooh, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! That's Nvidia, Meta. That was a nice hold. It's nice. Stay above that IB high. I need to put the studies back on here. I know you. I know you can. Ooh, they're going. They're going for those stops. It's that little pullback that I wanted to see. So yeah, if we can get a hold above this, I wouldn't be opposed. But I don't like seeing VIX because really a trade would have been. Nah, I will want to see these people getting stopped out for this particular day, given the high balance, given the high balance that we've had recently. So let's get you over here. Don't forget we got earnings later. This is nice. This is nice. This is a little sign of weakness though. This is but this is nice. All right, see if I can make this work. So overall, solid hold from the four that we wanted to see. This is bullish for me. But this is bearish due to the industrials getting whooped and a few of the others, and then the rising VIX as well. But I think that VIX is just gonna honestly it feels like that shit just throws people off. It's like, oh, the VIX is rising, and then they just get a little antsy with their trades from what I've seen and experienced. But who knows? All right. Yeah, this is a nice test into overnight range. This chart book's still ugly as hell, but current traded bid as volume. I gotta see how to turn that font off. Yeah, is there not? I see the text for the other options. I don't see text for the current traded. Man, that's whack. No, this is nice. I'm just gonna leave this as 10 points. It's not gonna be anything. And I did that late as well.
Stock filled.
Yeah, that was too late. And my ass was sitting here looking around. I said I was gonna wait until we get down here and test. Ah, yeah, that's an error right there. Yeah, that's an error. Yeah. Ah, 51 minutes. 100%. That is an error. Yeah. This is why. This is why I've been notating to make sure I'm not putting on. Make sure I'm not putting on. Making edits to my. And this is a possible rejection of this VWAP. Making edits on my chart book in real time. Not the best idea. Yeah, that was a little. That was a little 2-to-1. Bad. It was 11 points. Just a little better. I'd have been a little. Yeah, just first off, this is just a late reaction because I mean this should have been a 2-to-1 right there because that's 11 points. So I mean even 22 that wouldn't have been. I don't know. What would have been that? 22, 30. Yeah, it would have possibly made that. But to be honest, I should have been getting along somewhere in here at that 50% just to kind of see how we were holding. But anyways, it's a good thing I took my stop. I'm happy about that. This is the VIX that I was talking about. Shit, I would imagine. Oh, hold on. I'm just kind of thinking. Sorry, I'm trying to do this shit in real time. I forgot I need to do my zones so I can see it the way that I'm used to seeing it. As of right now, we're still trading inside of this zone. Okay, so what's happened? We're just trading inside of this zone. We're on one side, kind of ticking this others. This is looking good. So yeah, if we the weaker shit, it'd be short on this side. Uh try trade mode. This is why I need to get my shit together. If it does happen, this will be a sell stop. Really would be like this, but this doesn't have a an attached order. 53. So I don't think I've used this. Volume's picking up. So I mean, it's just a test. So I just want to see will this do a sell? Oh no! Yeah, because the button's down here. Why is it not doing? Yeah, that's everything. Shit, I turned on the damn trade down. There we go. Sorry, I needed to figure out how to do that because that's incredibly important. Oh, actually, what's even more important, I need to do a mother effing buy stop, sell stop. Oh, I love this shit so much. And then I need to have the attached orders. So yeah, I'm put a reminder to do that. So that one canceled. Fuck it, just do it one more. That'd be 5 points. Nice little area. This is part of my play. This would be a continuation. I get stopped out. I get stopped out. But this is no, this is nice. Break of levels, break of 5S to 5 smooth and average. Under the VWAP, under the big VWAP, under this open here. We have a nice little longs that were removed. Ideally, I would still like to go long, but I mean, this is just part of my setup. I mean, what I think and what I would like to see isn't the end all be all. I mean, this is my play, so we'll see what happens. And that's a nice stop, a nice size stop. So I mean, that should be uh, well. It's mindful of the range, and if I do get stopped out, then my theory would just be invalidated. That's fine. But yeah, I mean, it's B backer low. Ideally, I would like to short from the high. This would be a breakout, but the fact that we are having this zone here for this 7 a.m. candle, kind of coiling inside and then breaking through, this would be me shorting the weaker one. Or I still don't think it would have been better to do the Nasdaq. I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll leave this here. And notice the VIX is decreasing right now. It's kind of selling off, so it's a good chance that this does break through and kind of keep pushing. But I would say that this is valid. This is valid for my trade. My actual like setup. Man, I'm finna play Rocket League. My only thing is I don't know if I should have. I feel like it'd have been a good idea or the right idea to trade to short the S&P 500, just given. I don't know. So I was talking about earlier, the way they kind of like switch off on who's weaker, who's stronger. I'm not sure, but I mean, overall, Tech definitely wasn't doing the best, but they were leading. So I would try not to short them. But if we can have them continue to be shorter, oh, just because I'm in a position, I gotta keep thinking through. Okay, Tesla, they're starting to go back down. I don't want to look at it from the other side. Well, I just want to keep my same thought process with it. So they're starting to sell off a little bit. The video went back down again, and this is like after that 7 a.m. data. I forgot the mark that I did. Amazon Meta still holding pretty well. Google, they're doing what they can. Berkshire's now. Healthcare is starting to go down. Broadcom is still selling off, so their should be negative. And then we have Tesla that's doing what they can right now. I saw that little shoot up right there. I feel like I should probably get out of this, but I left my theory in, and VIX is still spiking up through. I just got a bad. I just got a bad entry. If anything, 'cause I'm gonna be the first one taken out. But ideally, that's the part of the plan. And shit, if that's the case, is that not just that's like a spike through, really? Yeah, because I mean, if this holds, I mean, shit, this also is part of my playbook here for the long side for tech. So I'm gonna see if this is right. It's gonna eventually. I mean, I was gonna possibly go long here for tech. That'd be like a low key like hedging. Hold on. Then if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Then that's just it.
Stop filled.
All right, cool. So what I'm confused is I have a this was the idea for this to break through because this is part of my playbook for this to break through. But as is this for this to kind of shoot up here and kind of peak above, but then slowly start bottoming out. But that may have been a bit what's the word? Feel like I maybe tried to front run. So I'm just gonna leave this. This is just gonna be my last trade for sure. And then I'll just leave this here. I'm definitely gonna go back through here and review some notes. But I'm gonna step away for a quick moment, let this play out, and do all of that. And notice I haven't said anything about a damn target for my short. I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna get in. But as of right now, that's what's about to happen. I just got in, so we'll see. I'm not playing with these fools. What I can do is set an alert.
Up breach. Trail.
What? Why did it do that one?
Up breach.
Yeah, all my other ones are not there. Huh. All right, so that's gonna give me a notification if we if the if we open about under that level. I'll be back. Come on, puppy. This is exactly why I walked away. So I'm not looking at this shit. I'm about to do some journaling. Ugh. Yeah, I'm a little first trade. I'm sure. Yeah, these two long trades didn't really make sense. I mean, I had yeah, just errors. So this is the high of that 30-minute candle there, of course. End of that bracket. Okay, I need to continue doing analysis and not just stare trades. Okay, so let's keep it going. Anyways, we opened up. Not looking, not looking. We have work to do. Focus, 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 focus. Just focus. Just seeing what's going on. Same shit in the video. Tesla is holding pretty well. It's really just healthcare and tech. VIX is still
Down
pushing.
breach.
Yes, thank you. That was a little quicker than I thought, but okay. So that's in that area. Yeah. All
Up
right.
breach.
Okay. Just thinking. So we shoot up, and I didn't even notice this shit. Ticked up the prior day. We shouldn't come back up. I'm bringing this. I'm bringing this stop back, or at least up here in this area. Nah. I mean, really, just yeah, at the top of this, at the high of that impulse candle, just let that sit there. Oh, I don't need to do this now. Sorry, I'm doing my best to just focus on what's happening and not look at my entry. So we opened up towards above the middle of the range of the initial balance yesterday, and then we shoot up. We tick above a couple ticks above the prior day's high, and then we collapse straight down back into the open for a legit open auction. Impulse down candle for 7 a.m. Rejected the open, and then slight trend lower, breaking under the low of the SOC, and then that tick reversal, which which has kind of been a thing over the past week. Some more of this getting people excited, just like it got me excited up here. They were holding, and now we're kind of releasing lower. If we get back above this, then psh, I mean, we deserve to be out. Um, I would want to be out. I mean, ideally, I really feel like I would like to keep my stop where it was because I want to see a hold. But I don't know if that's more of me. No, this needs to be better money management. This shouldn't come back. This shouldn't come back. If it does come back, I don't want to be a part of it. And this is what I was talking about with here. If this would have been a better option, I mean, it wasn't any kind of heat here. However, this would have been a 30-point stop. I'm not too sure if I would have caught this right here. Even been on the lookout. I mean, hell, I wasn't. I didn't. I wasn't looking out for it. It's a nice push back up. This ended up going down to 92. So that was about 11 points. Risk 5, and that was about 11 points that it went down. And now I'm sitting here. Good chance about to get stopped out. Oh, 713. All right, let's see how everyone holds at that very moment. Y'all want to puff y'all chest out? VIX is going down. Y'all want to puff y'all chest out? All right, hold. And I'm going to drink a little coffee. I'm gonna step back away. I'm not gonna sweat this. Yeah, I'm just kind of stepping away, just thinking about my execution. I really need to ask myself, what am I doing this for? Are we doing this to be right? Are we doing this to make money? Are we trying to make money, or are we trying to get the majority to move to puff our chest up? So I should get a notification if I'm stopped out or if we cross that area again. Just getting some sunlight. Shit, I'm lying like I'm finna eat some Doritos. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, are we doing this shit to make money? Or are we trying to be right? I mean, because I'm getting motherfucking 2 to 1. I got this shit twice. And what do I have to show for it? Negative 2R on NQ and probably finna get stopped out. since I have no fucking plan during this balance regime. Oh shit! I didn't think about that. This is why I don't want to. I don't want to get in my head. Ideally, my exit strategy is impulse, coil, impulse. Put my stop below that coil. That's all. If this is gonna be a breakout, that is, because technically we can't just keep having legs and legs and legs within structure. I want to see, I guess, a high volume node, if you will, be constructed. We're still under this five smoothing average. You know, and I could say some shit. And this is the thing is with VIX. I don't like how this is going. This is going back down. Just my past experience. You know, I think this is a situation where I can, let's say, I mean, this isn't an indicator, but this is just one bit of information and price. Like Linda Rashi says, the shit, actually, I don't even want to misquote her, but basically, price is king. Price is king, and the best indication is price. The best indicator is price. So I mean, price is being accepted lower than where I entered on my short position. So I mean, if I get stopped out, then that's fine. Oh well, next trade. But I can say that I did. I'll have to go back and I'll say that my first trade is in my playbook. That's not too fleshed out, but I did my best to do it. Second trade on NQ was no, the second trade was the ES, and that was done well, but no specific take profit, especially knowing that we're in a balance area. And I had this error the other day, especially all the prep work that we did earlier and the waiting. Yeah, John got stopped out too, especially waiting on earnings or above prior DGPs or were. Yeah, we were still inside when I entered. We're below for sure on tech. So yeah, I mean, if it continues to coil and we release lower, then so be it. But I feel like I was somewhat in the I forgot where it was, but I was kind of breaking down the DOM and just really following along. I really like how they were kind of selling there, and it's losing a little bit of its luster, and just more information that we're gathering. Meta is doing well. Everyone is holding. The video is starting to pump up. So I mean, this looks nice for sure. Still feel like we should have left our stop where it was, but given the more information that we have now, nah, I finna get stopped out. Oh no, it's at 04. Yeah, we just ate up this whole area, so this should be like sat back down. If anything, this will be a good place to add or short for the NQ. But you ain't hear that from me, and I'm already done on my trades today. So and I kind of want to play Rocket League on the stream, but so I turn this off once I get stopped out. I accept being stopped out. Oh shit! Ah, I hit the damn dome. Fuck it, just flatten cancel all. Can I lock? Oh my god. Let me put a note. Lock trading when you're in a position. Hey, you learn every day. That's 8 more points. I mean, that's 4 more points. It gets a little sleepy like this. Yeah, I don't want to micromanage a trade. I'm just gonna let it do what it does. I get stopped out or whatever. I'm trying to play the game. I do expect to get stopped out in the squeeze. Same. This wouldn't have been easy to hold. Yeah, because it was about like right here. Let's call it 52. That'd be like 10, 52, 32. Man, I really got to do these 2 to 1s. Oh man. All right, so my issue is that I'm looking at these other moves. I can see these 2 to 1s, and I'm for the most part getting these 2 to 1s. I just freaking can't stand when I'm getting out and the market is continue doing what it's doing. I get it, I get it, I get it. That's just the way it works. But I can mentally take that, but just seeing what does that mean I can mentally take it if I'm getting upset with this? Uh yeah, the break and the retest would have been a little better. Yeah, if this shit goes down, hey, that's real bad. That's real bad for that's real bad for tech. What's going on though? Ooh, Tesla, they gave in. Nvidia gave in. But do they hold? But do they hold? All right, how much long? How long are we sitting at? We still got an hour and 27. You want? All right, Vic starting to pick up a little bit. Got about 5 more minutos. Yeah, this that this your time in Q. This your time to shine. This motherfucker name Peter the Cheater. I'm looking at somebody's name in the chat. Ooh, I really got to get my time out. Oh yeah, I saw that shit. Was that? Hold on. That makes sense. That makes sense. Oh yeah. So yeah, if they get smoked, because that I swear this typically happens. You have like a real big candle, like not a real big candle, but you have like a real big volume print like this. I swear the liquidity gets tested below. If I was in here and I saw this big ass buy, and then they get underwater, oh yeah, I probably be adding. Um, I need to learn how to add. I need to learn how. I need to learn how to add. Okay, wait. Time of sales, time of sales, time of sales, time of sales, time of sales. Go. How you do time of sales, right? Time of sales, time of sales, time of sales. Oh, cool. I didn't know you could do that here, man. Oh, because it's a I'm trying not to get in the way of the freaking Dom. Man, I thought I had this the other day. Boom, 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 boom. Block sale. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna just keep it simple. Whoa. Why y'all taking profit like that, man? You know what? Fuck it. Can we get this to clear out? No. They don't have auto clear. Boo. That's why we need Jigsaw. Man, I think I'm finna jump out of this. You know what? Stop. Stop, Brandon Lindsay. I'm tripping. I need to look at the dome. Yeah, I'm just looking at the dome. I'm about to get out. I really don't. Just, should be getting their breached area. That VIX is picking up. Everyone's selling off, selling off, selling off. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. And this is what I want to see here. So now I bring this shit up. Ah, shit, my trading is locked. So that puts me up 9 or 8. Yeah, it puts me up about a good 8. This makes sense. Yeah. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I kind of want to flatten once we get this break, but I'd be a little bitch to do that. I'm just gonna let this go, and this is what I was talking about. 148. All right, I'm about to bounce out now. Actually, no. This is where you add. This is where traders add, but I'm not adding right now because I don't even have a target. I'm just kind of like following. So let that go. Watching this done. Oh no! Ooh. Oh shit! Is this my damn target from earlier? Ah, dang. Yeah, I added it to it. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna have to flatten it once this bounces up. All right, I'm out. I fucked up. Damn it. Yeah, that's my rule. I miss. All right, let it go. We out. Okay, so just let it. Just drop it. It's whatever. 804 trading error. It didn't lock. Alright, well, I can say I freaking added. Yeah, I'm a little upset with this, but yeah. Fuck. I'm trying to show one of my buddies that basically took the same setup basically. I'm a little ooh, NASDAQ getting smoked. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and call it here myself. A little upset. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna pause this for a quick moment. I need a little break. Just a little irritated. Actually, I'm gonna just leave it here because that's the way it is. I'm gonna capture this shit too. Yeah, I'm about to play Rocket League myself. Ah, man. I'm just a little irritated with that. I know I need something to work on is to stop bitching about being annoyed and just look for your next opportunity, next trade, and that's how I feel. But to be honest, I'm done for today because I'm done. We have these earnings that are coming up. I'm not gonna sit here and fool with this. Um, I'll come back. There's a lot of good stuff here. I'm off today. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna stop it here and yeah.